Welcome to another crochet video where we'll be opening together this crochet kit that I got from the dollar store. Actually, it didn't cost $1, it cost $4.50 plus tax, and we'll see if this was worth, like, will the instructions be accurate, will this be the final result? Stay with me while I crochet whatever instructions are in here and see if this is worth it or not. I'm gonna opening this crochet kit from the dollar store. This one is from Dollarama and it didn't cost $1. It actually costed $4.50 plus taxes. And over there in the store they had different projects and I chose this one because I don't know, I love cats and I really want to see how the instructions are to crochet all these details, you know, the change of color, and you know, it has multiple details over here. I mean, it has 4 limbs, like 2 arms and 2 legs, and they are all attached. So I want to see how this project is worked in a $4.50 crochet kit. Here we have all the materials that are included. So let's see: yarn, 100% polyester, stuffing, crochet needle, and crochet hook. Here from the picture we can see that the crochet hook might be plastic, so I want to see that. And yeah, warning that there are small parts. I assume it is the eyes over here. So I'm curious. Let's go and see what's inside this box. Okay, so here's the unboxing. So we can see we have white, okay, stuffing over here. Let's see if this will be enough. That over here looks actually big. It is 10 plus 18 centimeters. So I think it is a medium-sized project. So I don't know if this quantity over here will be enough for the cat. We'll see. Crochet hook and all the notions are here. Crochet hook, it's plastic as I anticipated. It's a 3.5 millimeters. We also have a plastic needle over here and safety eyes and other threads in here. We have the instructions here. I put them aside. Come back in a minute. We also have these 3 colors over here: gray, pink, and yellow or mustard. And yeah, so this is everything that is included in this crochet kit over here that costed only $4.50. Now let's take a look at the instructions. Okay. These are the instructions over here. Okay, I can see instructions English over here. And instructions, oh, in Spanish and French. Oh my god, I didn't expect Spanish instructions over here. That's wild. Okay, let me take a look off the camera and I'll come back. So my first impressions over here is that I thought that everything will be black and white, and it is not. So they are not so cheap, let's say, because they invested a little bit in having first of all, to having all the instructions in English, French, and Spanish. I think that's an absolute win. And I also like that we have these instructions over here in color, especially because we have 3 colors to work with, which is white, black, or gray, mustard, and pink. So this might be useful. But on the other end, I didn't expect too much, to be honest, about this crochet kit, but I think it will be easier for everybody if they had step-by-step instructions with photos instead of diagrams, because it can be so confusing, especially when this is your first introduction to crochet. Let's get into it. I'll start with these instructions and I will see you in the next clip. Okay, here we have a problem, a real one, because over here since the beginning it says khaki yarn here is shown in khaki font. All font here it's in the same color. There's no other kind of font or anything. Everything looks exactly the same to me. And here it says the white yarn here is shown in red font. Again, like all font here is in black. So how can I know which color are we working? And also over here there's no instructions on how to change yarn. So of course I know how to crochet, so I just did it as I would regularly do, but these instructions are not here or either here, so it doesn't say how to change the color of the yarn. And also, like, some quick tips or anything, there's no information about it. So I'll try to do my best to figure out this on how to work combining three colors, black, mustard, and gray, together in one same project. So I'll do my best to figure this out and I'll keep you updated. Okay, here is the second update over here. Here is the body, and I think it looks similar enough. Also, I thought the body will be larger, and here we can have like a super large head and a tiny and slim body. We'll see how this end up. And I just forgot to put the safety eye, so I'll do it right now, because you can see the hole over here, it's tiny. And after this I still need to make one row of decreases, only decreases, and I will end up with 6 stitches. So I think everything will be harder after now, so I'll just do the safety eyes. It is so weird over here because I'm working this hand or arm over here, and as you can see, it starts with pink and then brown or khaki color and then white, right? And also from the actual image that we have here, it follows the same pattern. Over here, I'll put a close-up, but it starts actually with pink and then it tells you to switch to brown, and then the last part it says pink. It says switch to pink yarn. Like, why will I switch to pink yarn if the pattern follows white? It's so weird. So I'm just following, of course, the pattern as I'm seeing here. So I have this combo over here, and yeah, so this is just an update on how bad instructions are on this crochet kit.